What's up, guys? Welcome to Saturday Mornings with your girl, Angel Raine. Today, I'm going to be doing some moss art using the letter A, of course, some dried flowers, glue, razor blade, moss sheets that I got from the Dollar Tree, and right here, I'm just scoring the moss sheet because it is thick on the back, and then I'm using scissors to finish off the rest of the shape of the A. So here I'm just removing the middle so you can see that it is a letter A, and I just flipped it over and took the razor and just stuck it through. Use the scissors to finish that off as well. So here I'm gluing the moss to the letter A. And during this process of cutting and scoring, I did lose some moss along the way, so I did go back and fill that back in using hot glue. So I'm just covering the A with this industrial glue. You can use any glue you like. I prefer Gorilla Glue. It has a low odor. It doesn't irritate me. It's not as harsh as E6000, so I use Gorilla Glue for this project. And right now I'm just positioning the moss so it can cover all the way, and I think I'm gonna slide it over just a little bit because I can still see. There we go. All right, so now that we have that down, we're just gonna press firmly to make sure that this is adhering well to your initial or your letter. So I'm just showing you a close-up of these dried flowers that I have, and they are real flowers, and they're really pretty. I did get those from Amazon, and they were under $10. And you get a variety of different colors, different flowers. So this is what I'm going to be using, and I want this to look like these flowers are growing out of the moss. So I'm just kind of figuring out which flowers I want to use, how I want to place them on the initial. I don't want to overdo it. I don't want it to be overwhelming. Kind of haphazardly putting these things on so it can have an overall good look. So just figuring out what colors go with what, and just take a look, guys. So to attach your dry flowers, you can either use hot glue or you can use craft glue. It is totally up to you. I will say this, I did not enjoy using hot glue because, you know, those little pesky strings that hang around and then they get caught on the moss and I have to go back with the tweezers and pull it off. And so after I used the hot glue a couple of times, I realized, you know what, it'll be much easier to just use the craft glue and just, you know, drop a few little dots or drips here and there and attach my flowers. So at this point, I've decided to kind of have like 3 different bouquets, so they all are contrasting blues and greens, orange and yellow, and then pink and purples. So here's my finished product, guys. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys take care.